Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to round product cards in Shopify. First, access Shopify's dashboard and click Online Store on the left. Just click it. On the Themes page, find your theme. Click the three-dot button. In the new menu, select Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In Filter Files, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, hit enter. Next, we'll visit the hostube.net website. The link is in the description, along with the code we'll use in this video. So go ahead and access that page. Find the button to copy the code. The code will be copied. Back in Shopify, paste the code into the blank line we left. After pasting, go to the top right and click the Save button. Just click it. After clicking, the changes are saved successfully. Now, when you visit your store, you'll see rounded product images on the cards. It creates a more attractive and eye-catching design. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Bye.